In recent years, the handmade goods market has experienced a remarkable boom, with platforms like Etsy leading the charge. This vibrant marketplace is a haven for creative individuals looking to turn their passions into profit. From handmade jewelry to quirky home decor, the demand for unique, one-of-a-kind items has never been higher. As consumers increasingly seek personalized products over mass-produced goods, there's a golden opportunity for crafty entrepreneurs to step in and make their mark. Monetizing your unique crafts creatively is not just a way to earn some extra cash, it's a chance to share your artistic vision with the world. Whether you're knitting whimsical hats, crafting funky wall art, or designing playful stationery, your creations can resonate with buyers who appreciate the charm of handmade items. By tapping into your creativity, you can transform your hobbies into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time business. What's more, selling quirky crafts on Etsy opens up a world of fun and unconventional income opportunities. Imagine turning your love for crafting into a source of income while connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passion. The joy of creating something unique and seeing it find a new home can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, the flexibility of running an Etsy shop allows you to work on your own terms, making it an appealing option for anyone looking to earn quick cash while doing what they love. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity and explore the exciting world of selling quirky crafts, let's dive in. Etsy is a dynamic online marketplace that specializes in unique and handmade items, making it a go-to platform for artisans and crafters around the globe. Founded in 2005, Etsy has carved out a niche for itself by connecting buyers with sellers who offer everything from handcrafted jewelry to vintage clothing and custom home decor. This focus on individuality and creativity sets Etsy apart from other e-commerce sites, allowing sellers to showcase their talents and reach a dedicated audience that values originality. One of the most significant aspects of Etsy is its strong community of crafters and makers. The platform fosters a supportive environment where sellers can share tips, collaborate, and inspire one another. Etsy forums and social media groups provide a space for crafters to connect, ask questions, and celebrate each other's successes. This sense of community not only enhances the selling experience but also encourages personal growth and creativity among its members. For those looking to earn quick cash, Etsy offers immense potential through effective selling strategies. By optimizing product listings with engaging descriptions and high-quality images, sellers can attract more buyers and increase their sales. Additionally, leveraging social media to promote products can significantly boost visibility and drive traffic to an Etsy shop. With the right approach, crafters can turn their passion into a profitable venture, making Etsy not just a marketplace but a platform for financial empowerment. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting, understanding Etsy's significance in the handmade goods market can help you navigate this exciting opportunity. When it comes to selling on Etsy, identifying and creating quirky crafts that stand out is key to capturing the attention of potential buyers. The first step is to encourage your creativity by exploring various crafting avenues. Think outside the box, and consider items like quirky mugs adorned with fun quotes or handmade jewelry featuring unusual materials. The more unique your creations, the more likely they are to resonate with customers looking for something special. Researching current trends can also provide valuable inspiration for your quirky crafts. Spend some time browsing Etsy and other platforms to see what types of items are gaining popularity. Pay attention to seasonal trends, color palettes, and themes that are currently in vogue. This research can spark ideas for your own creations, allowing you to blend popular elements with your personal flair. Remember, the goal is to create something that not only reflects current interests, but also showcases your unique perspective. Speaking of personal style, it plays a crucial role in crafting distinctive items. Your individuality is what sets your work apart from others, so don't be afraid to infuse your personality into your creations. Whether it's through bold color choices, unconventional designs, or a specific theme that resonates with you, let your style shine through. This authenticity will attract buyers who appreciate the story behind each piece. By combining creativity, trend awareness, and personal style, you can identify and create quirky crafts that not only sell but also bring joy to both you and your customers. Starting your own Etsy shop is an exciting venture, and setting it up is easier than you might think. First, you'll need to create an Etsy account. Simply visit the Etsy website and click on Sign Up. You can register using your email address or link your Google or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sell on Etsy section and follow the prompts to set up your shop. You'll choose your shop name, which should reflect your brand and the unique crafts you plan to sell. Next, focus on the visual appeal of your shop. High-quality photos are essential for attracting buyers, as they provide a clear view of your products. Use natural lighting and simple backgrounds to showcase your items effectively. Consider taking multiple angles and close-ups to highlight details. Alongside your photos, engaging descriptions are crucial. Clearly explain what your product is, its features, and any unique aspects that make it special. This not only informs potential buyers but also helps with search engine optimization. Pricing your items is another critical step. Research similar products on Etsy to gauge the market rate, but ensure your pricing reflects the time, effort, and materials that went into creating your crafts. Consider offering introductory prices or discounts for first-time buyers to attract initial sales. Balancing competitive pricing with profitability is key. You want to entice buyers while ensuring your hard work pays off. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful Etsy shop that showcases your quirky crafts to the world. Promoting your Etsy listings effectively is essential for driving traffic to your shop and increasing sales. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are perfect for showcasing your quirky crafts and reaching a wider audience. Share eye-catching images of your products, behind-the-scenes crafting processes, and customer testimonials. Engaging with your followers through stories, polls, and live sessions can create a community around your brand, encouraging potential buyers to connect with you and your creations. Another effective strategy is to collaborate with influencers or other crafters. Partnering with influencers who align with your brand can significantly boost your visibility. They can showcase your products to their followers, providing you with access to a new audience that may be interested in your unique crafts. Additionally, collaborating with fellow crafters can lead to cross-promotional opportunities. Consider hosting giveaways or joint projects that highlight both of your work, allowing you to tap into each other's customer base. Don't forget to utilize Etsy's promotional tools to enhance your shop's visibility. Etsy offers options like promoted listings, which allow you to pay for increased visibility in search results. You can also take advantage of Etsy ads to target specific keywords related to your products. Additionally, consider offering discounts or free shipping to entice buyers. By combining social media marketing, collaborations, and Etsy's promotional tools, you can create a comprehensive marketing strategy that effectively promotes your crafts and drives sales in your Etsy shop. Successfully managing orders and providing excellent customer service are crucial components of running a thriving Etsy shop. One of the first steps in this process is ensuring timely shipping. Buyers appreciate prompt delivery, so it's essential to set realistic processing times and stick to them. Communicating with your customers about their order status is equally important. Send notifications when their order is confirmed, shipped, and delivered. This transparency builds trust and keeps buyers informed, enhancing their overall shopping experience. Another key aspect of managing orders is gathering feedback from your customers. After a purchase, encourage buyers to leave reviews and share their thoughts on your products. This feedback not only helps you understand what your customers love, but also highlights areas for improvement. Use this information to refine your offerings, whether it's adjusting product designs, enhancing packaging, or improving your shop policies. Positive reviews can also serve as powerful marketing tools, attracting new customers who are influenced by the experiences of others. Customer service plays a vital role in building a loyal customer base. Responding promptly to inquiries and addressing any concerns or issues can turn a one-time buyer into a repeat customer. Make it a priority to be friendly, approachable, and helpful in all interactions. A personal touch, such as including a handwritten thank you note with orders, can leave a lasting impression. By focusing on timely shipping, effective communication, and exceptional customer service, you can create a positive shopping experience that encourages customers to return and recommend your shop to others. In this video, we've explored the exciting journey of selling quirky crafts on Etsy, highlighting the essential steps to set yourself up for success. We began by discussing the importance of understanding the Etsy platform and its significance in the handmade goods market. From there, we moved on to identifying and creating unique crafts that resonate with buyers, emphasizing the value of creativity and personal style. Next, we walked through the process of setting up your Etsy shop, focusing on the importance of high-quality photos, engaging descriptions, and effective pricing strategies. We then delved into marketing your crafts, showcasing how social media collaborations and Etsy's promotional tools can help you reach a wider audience and boost visibility. Finally, we covered the critical aspects of managing orders and providing excellent customer service, which are vital for building a loyal customer base. Throughout this journey, it's clear that with creativity and effort, there's significant potential for quick cash by selling your unique crafts. The handmade market is thriving, and your artistic talents can turn into a profitable venture. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more content on crafting and selling. Give this video a thumbs up, and share it with fellow crafters who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see the amazing crafts you'll create and sell on Etsy.